Hey, so have you ever wanted to get hands-on with shotguns like this? This is the Fabarm Elos N2 RS Sporting. Well, guess what? Fabarm's gonna be at Shotgun Fest, July 12th at the Alexandria Shooting Park. But not just Fabarm, also Guerini, also Syren. I don't even have any Guerinis, so I'm excited that you get the opportunity to get hands-on. They're gonna have a whole bunch of demo guns. Federal Ammunition is providing the ammo for you to shoot. It's gonna be awesome. Check it out. It's Shotgun Fest, July 12th at the Alexandria Shooting Park.